had a leaflet from the creche itself, and obviously I'm a teacher myself, so I obviously knew from experience. And then it was just a matter of filling in a couple of forms and then doing it all online. The process was pretty easy. There were a couple of maybe things that needed looking at. I think some parents were finding it confusing between the nursery as in school and nursery as in the creche as well. But I think, it's just a matter of filling in forms and then you just get the support then. And I think it's so beneficial and I think everybody should be doing it. Well, at the moment, I am currently on maternity with a little 3-month-old. So my little one has started school Easter part-time. So what we decided to do then was keep her in creche for the mornings because we knew we had that extra money coming in. So she does 5 mornings here then and we just top up what needs to be topped up. I think you just sit down, you fill in a couple of forms online, you make sure you've got all your details ready because obviously you can't save the application. So be prepared and then it just makes a big difference to you financially and your monthly outgoings then. And you get exactly the same level of care, the same level of food, everything's exactly the same. But it's so much beneficial to you as a family.